Hello students, this is Varun. We already have done Pythagoras theorem, which states that in a right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equals to sum of square of remaining two sides. And now we will go for converse of Pythagoras theorem, which states that in a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of square of two other sides, then the angle opposite to first side is a right angle. We have a triangle ABC in which AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, and we have to prove that angle opposite to AC, that is angle B, is right angle. So here we mention given that in triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square equals to AC square, and to prove is angle B equals to 90 degree. And to prove this, we have to do some construction. We will draw a triangle PQR such that angle Q is right angle, PQ is equals to AB, and QR is equals to BC. And here we mention construction, that draw triangle PQR such that AB is equals to PQ, BC is equals to QR, and angle Q equals to 90 degree. So let us start with the proof part now. Since triangle PQR is right angled at Q, so we can use Pythagoras theorem, and according to Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Also from construction, AB is equal to PQ and BC equals to QR. So we are just going to replace PQ by AB and QR by BC. So we get AB square plus BC square equals to PR square, and let this be number 2. Also it is given that AB square plus BC square equals to AC square, and let this is number 3. So from equation 2 and equation 3, since left hand side of equation number 2 and equation number 3 is same, so their right hand side will also be same. So we can conclude that PR square equals to AC square. Since PR square equals to AC square, so we can write that PR is also equals to AC, and let this be number 4. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB equals to PQ, it is by construction, and BC equals to QR, again by construction, and AC equals to PR, we just have proved in equation number 4. So we can conclude that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by SSS. And we know that if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles and corresponding sides will also be same. So since triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by SSS congruency criteria, so we can conclude that angle B equals to angle Q. This is by CPCT, which states that corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Since angle B and Q are equal and the measure of angle Q is 90 degree, this is by construction, so we can conclude that measure of angle B is also 90 degree. This is what we had to prove. So finally we mention hence proved. So that is how we are able to prove the converse of Pythagoras theorem, which states that in a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of square of other two sides, then the angle opposite to first side is a right angle. Thank you.